took out the front line, now we coming hard for your secondary. Hail Mary shots let out like Doug Flutie. Letting rounds off on your sets like Call of Duty. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slug from the lead pipe barrel got your head cracked. We let tons go. Snug from the tip stop. Hot land pouring out. Lost your Teflon. I spit out killer skills through your real cage sets with your vest on. Watch your back. You just might catch one. Breathing the night to the fighter gets a handgun. Watch my clip game. I'm like Mr. Smith without the misses with that clip off the hip swing. Don't second guess it. Step and get deaded. When bad men shoot up the place with hot pellets.
You got big guns, we got big guns. You wanna do it, one. Do it, do it, do it. You wanna spaz up, we wanna spaz up. You the last one. Do it, do it, do it. You got big guns, we got big guns. You wanna do it, one. Do it, do it, do it. You wanna spaz up, we wanna spaz up. You the last one. Do it, do it, do it. I'm on
Окей, друзья, такая битва достойна быть финальной. Но финальная битва будет не менее значимой, вы сами это понимаете. Давайте еще раз пошумим как следует. Спасибо, это было очень круто. And now, are you ready to get out one? Take out one. One. Only one. Two.